So last class we discussed about what is right, ELB, elastic load balancer, and how to create application load balancer, and also right, how to create path based and all already we discussed, right? So already we discussed how to create application load balancer HTTP, so mostly, and HTTPS also same, and right, and how to configure path based. So host based AWS console login, path based, host based, we can configure anyway, that is based on our requirement, all are same only. So if you want to connect with host based, if you want to connect with host based, we need to domain route 53 and all. If we have that one, so we can configure. So anyway, already I think, and later coming class also we can see. Just I will show you how it will work. Helmus, that's it. Okay. Now anyone any doubt? So previous class. So now if you go to instances, if you go to instances and click on instances, I mean Singapore, not need to go to Mumbai region, and Mumbai region, what are the regions available, and I'll just check it. Where is this security load balancer? So let's check any load balancer. We don't have any load balancer, right? We don't have any load balancers and all. Okay. And same way, if you want to configure a host based, that is also same only, that is also same only. Mostly interview they are asking, and how it will work means, we can connect. So if we click on load balancer, and mostly just remember, mostly we are using HTTP only, our application support HTTP HTTPS, and it is operating at the request level. We are sending request, and we are sending request, based on request your request go to distribute to multiple instances, that's it. And also it will support path, host and all, that is based on our requirement we can configure. And this is a network means, this is a port based, operate at connection level. So if you see that, just remember one or two lines, that's enough. Interview most of the people they are asking this one only, and apart from this everything same only, everything same only. Now we know how to configure. If you know one thing, we can easily configure other things also. Okay, just try it whatever you want. Even if you go to Google how to configure network load balancer, they'll give you every steps clearly how to configure network load balancer, uh, network load balancer, load balancer. So everything document they created clearly, and just we have to read this document. So step by step, four steps we need to do. So see, configure target group and configure register targets, configure load balancer and listeners, and test the load balancer. That's it. So these are the four steps. All are same only, and extra steps only they will add. So extra steps they added. So now how it will work? Go to log into AWS and create, choose the target group and go to target group. See here how it will work. Basic configuration, and choose the target type. Yesterday we created, right? Based on this same, you can follow all steps they given clearly, but you need to read step by step. We can easily understand. So otherwise, right, how to configure HTTP and all same way, and configure load balancer and listeners, how it will work same. Each login step onwards they given. So now we have some idea, right, what is load balancer and how it will work. And same way, there is one more very important concept, interview they are asking, ALB. So now if you go here, so this is the load balancer. If you want to, we can create load balancer and target groups, and based on this we can work with. Now same way, there is one more concept, auto scaling. So auto scaling means, just try to understand how it will work. For example, we know, right, many website, online website, right, many website, online website, many online website. What is this? On MS Paint. Okay, even if it take a Flipkart or Amazon or any website, okay, all are web applications only, right? So now, so this is my application. So this is my application. Now, so usually application means we have domain name and we are using flipkart.com, right? See here, Flipkart, Amazon, Flipkart, Flipkart, okay, .com. So if you use flipkart.com and it is opening a website, right? Or Amazon.com, online shopping, okay, anything, okay. User interface it is coming differently. They changed. Okay, so anyway, now this is the website, right? So this is the website, Flipkart, Amazon, anything, whatever you want. So, so this is the flipkart.com. Now, so mostly end users they are hitting this website, right? Just assume this is the one server. This is the one server. This is the one server, AWS server. Just assume this is the AWS server, and in this server they deployed application, Flipkart application. They deployed which application? Flipkart application. This is the application they deployed. Application is running in this server. Okay, so running. Now usually just assume this is some configuration and so instance type. So maybe instance type they are using some C5 some and all. Instance type. I hope you know, right? What is instance type? Instance type. Just assume C4 or C5. Just assume you know that range and all, and 32 GB RAM and 16 processor, and this server can handle so this many requests. Just assume so this server can handle only 10,000 requests. 10,000 requests. So 10,000 people at a time, so they can hit this server, and this server can handle 10,000 requests. Now just assume concept is very simple. Try to understand how it will work. That's it. Apart from this, nothing. So these are the end user, and end users keep on they are trying to access this website, right? Keep on they are trying to access this website. And right? What about this? Right? Uh, this is the request and festival time and some offer times. So many people hitting this website, right? Got it? So this is the server, and in this server, Flipkart application is running. Flipkart. So we given wrong name. That is reason it is coming. Flipkart, Flipkart.com. Correct. So this is the Flipkart.com. Okay. So this is the website. Earlier I given wrong name, so that is the reason it is coming. Okay. Now see here. Okay. Oh, just got it right. So we can use flipkart.com and all. Now, so this is server application is running Flipkart application, and so this server can handle 10,000 request. 10,000 request. So this server can handle 10,000 request, and so some offer times, some festival season. So many people hitting, right? Correct. So suppose sometimes for
Yes, sir.
festival time they are providing some offers. So they are providing some offers. So this time, so many people hitting. Just assume 50,000 requests it is coming, but this requests are coming. Request. So hitting to this server. Requests are hitting this server. And how this server can handle? Is it handle? No, right? So anyway, the servers goes down. So the response time also it will do. Business loss, right? Business loss, right? So only offers time or festivals time. So many people hitting this server. So the server goes down and proper way we are not able to handle this. So Flipkart means right? Many people continuously they are hitting. These are the buying, right? Business loss. Now based on this CPU usage, This is the only one server as of now we are maintaining. Okay. So now based on usage, for example, if CPU usage, for example, CPU usage, CPU utilization, CPU uti, CPU utilization, for example, it reaches 70% or 80%, so each is equal to 80%. So we want to create one more instance. We want to create a same setup, same configuration. I need one more server, same configuration, same server. This is the whole story. Now if you suppose, just assume now CPU utilization it reaches 90 80%. Now CPU utilization it reaches so 80%. 80%, just assume. Now many people are hitting. Now CPU utilization it reaches 80%. Now what I need to do? I need to add one more server automatically. I need to add one more server automatically. So how it will come means, so same configuration, same setup, it will come one more server. Same configuration, same setup, one more server. This is the whole concept. That's it. Apart from this, nothing. Same configuration, same server. So it will come one more server. One more server. Now request. So now request go to. Uh, where is the, I don't have space. Just assume. I increase this. Same configuration, same server. One more server. So one more server. Now my request also distributed to so this server. Now work is easy, right? Now if anyone send request, and so the request go to this server also. Now it is handling. So I hope you got it right. How it will work? Now if CPU utilization, there is some conditions they given, and so based on this condition, if this server reaches utilization 80%, automatically it will create one more server. Same configuration, same setup. You don't worry. You don't worry. Already we are going to create some options and all. So automatically create create one more server. That's it. And so here also they are mentioning some min max, and so desired we are configuring some configuration also here. What is the min server, how many servers you want, min server, and desired server, desired desired servers, and how many servers you want, and how many max server. This and all we are going to configure. This and all we are going to configure. Maximum I need 4 servers and minimum 1 server. Desired server, desired server. I need also 2 servers. Maximum servers 4. So it will create so up to 4 servers. Maximum it will create up to 4 servers and minimum 1 server. And desired means how many server right now we need. 2 servers. If you reach any instance the particular condition, automatically it will create so maximum servers. I hope you got it right. Minimum means I need maintain one server. Now desired means now in this case it will maintain 2 servers. Maximum servers means so maximum it will create so 4 servers only. Maximum it will create 4 instances. So based on your usage only. Based on if suppose if usage not reached 80%, it won't create any instance. It won't create any instance and all. It is maintaining only this server. I hope you got it right. Clear? Anyone any doubt guys here? Clear?
Yes, sir. Clear.
Okay. Now come to here how it will work. So now so now we need one server. I'm going to same setup. I'm going to yesterday already we done, right? HTTP only. HTTPD server only. I'm going to configure. Just I'm going to welcome page, and based on this we can easily understand how it will work. Now go to here, and so first I'm going to create one server. So any one server. Now go to here normal server. So now see here. So go to instances, click on launch instance, and give name ALB, ALB. Okay, auto scaling. Now this and all same only. Whatever you want, we can select. Remaining story same only. And this is enough for me. And this is enough for me. Free tier. And instance T2 micro is enough for me. 1 GB only testing, right? 1 GB. And so key and all. I am selecting my key. So DevOps key. And so if you want to, we can configure that already if you have VPC and all. Right now default. And so select security group also. Whatever you want, we can select. Whatever you want, I need just some port numbers, SS and all. That's it. If anyway we are using last class, right? That's it. 8 GB enough for me. That's it. Apart from this, no need to do anything. And also go to here, and so go to here. Here I need to do so that steps and all. So already as last class we seen, right? Just same configuration, whatever you want. This and all I have Linux commands only. Don't confuse here. So bash, and so minst update -y, minstall http -y, systemctl start, or just enable, and so hello world, or so welcome to server, whatever you want. Welcome to httpd server, and that host I am printing. That's it. Okay. Now one instance enough for me. That's it. One instance enough for me, and click on instance. Now observe, this is just first I'm creating so normal server. So there is no special here. Already last class we set up everything. Just I'm checking whether everything working fine. Then I'm going to create so auto scaling group and all how it will work. So now go to EC2, click on instances. Now just it is creating, right? Initializing. Just wait. Now there is one more concept also we need to understand. We need to create so in real time, right? So this is a server. So in this server, so they configure many packages, they configure many softwares, they install many things. For example, they install some packages, and so packages, and they deployed some UI tools for user interface application, right? Application means application is running. They install. They have some lot of things they are going to configure here, right? Now, so if new instance is created, we need same setup or we need any only normal instance. So right now this is the only one server. In this server, they did many things. They installed some packages, they configure some things. They are doing lot of things, right? Some kind of that application related configuration and all. If new instance is created, if new instance is created, and if new instance is created, we need same configuration or only just server enough?
Same
Same
configuration.
configuration, right? So now what I'm going to do, so with the help of this instance, I am going to create our own our own AMI. You know, right? Amazon Mission Image. So as of now, I am using existing AWS people AMI. Just here while creating instance, while creating instance, I am selecting, right? I am selecting this is the AMI, Amazon Mission Image. So these all are provided by AWS people. This image is provided by AWS people, and it will, this is the only normal instance, normal server. That's it, right? But so this is my application. In this server my application is running, and lot of things they configure, many things available. So if create new instance, same setup, same configuration, nothing. I don't, I we user, end user wants same configuration, right? So in this case, first we need to create our own image. First we need to create our own AMI, Amazon Mission Image. From this I am going to configure ALB. I hope you understand, right? Anyone any doubt here? అర్థమైందా? సో మనకి జనరల్గా సో ఇంకొక ఇన్స్టెన్స్ క్రియేట్ అయితే నార్మల్ ఇన్స్టెన్స్ క్రియేట్ అవుతుంది. బట్ ఈ సర్వర్లో నాకు మెనీ థింగ్స్ దే కాన్ఫిగర్, అప్లికేషన్ రన్ అవుతా ఉంది. ఇప్పుడు నేను ఏం చేస్తాను, ఈ సర్వర్లో హెచ్టిపిడి సర్వర్ ఇన్స్టాల్ చేస్తా, హెచ్టిపి సర్వర్ ప్రాపర్గా వర్క్ అవుతుంది. ఈ సర్వర్లో నేను అప్లికేషన్ డిప్లాయ్ చేస్తాను. మళ్ళీ న్యూ ఇన్స్టెన్స్ క్రియేట్ అవుతే సేమ్ ఇక్కడ ఏ సెటప్ ఉందో, ఏ కాన్ఫిగరేషన్ ఉందో, వాట్ ఎవర్ వీ హ్యావ్ హియర్, సేమ్ థింగ్ ఐ నీడ్ టు క్రియేట్ వన్ మోర్ ఇన్స్టెన్స్. సో ఫర్ దట్ ఫస్ట్ వీ నీడ్ టు క్రియేట్ ఫ్రమ్ దిస్ ఇమేజ్ వన్ ఓన్ ఏఎంఐ. ఇప్పుడు నేను ఈ సర్వర్ నుంచి ఒక ఓన్ ఇమేజ్ని క్రియేట్ చేస్తున్నా. దట్స్ ఇట్. హౌ ఇట్ విల్ క్రియేట్. నౌ ఫస్ట్ చెక్ ఇట్. సో దిస్ ఈజ్ ఐ కాన్ఫిగర్, రైట్? క్లిక్ ఆన్ EC2, and go to instances, click on the, it is running. Now click on this, how to test this one, copy public IP, click on here. Now everything working or not? Now see here, so this HTTP, this instance, in that instance my HTTP server also working fine. Now here, so we are going to learn, so how to create our own AMI, how to create a new concept, how to create our own AMI. Own AMI means our own image, that's it. So go to instances, go to instances, select this instance, running instance, and go to actions, and there is a image and template option. There is a one option available, image and templates. If we click on this and create an image, create a template from instance, launch more like this. So I need one image, AMI, create image. Now here we can give any name, we can give any name. So I am giving, so my, I am giving my my HTTPD server, CONF. Just work out whatever you want, we can CONF configuration. So just copy any, give any name, that is your wish. My HTTPD server, HTTPD server. Okay, whatever name we can give, that is your wish. That's it. Now image description we can give. Okay, so this is for, just whatever you want we can configure. Okay, now we need to select here no reboot. So now server is running, right? So if we create, it will reboot, I don't want, so no reboot. And so remain size and all same only. And so remaining, during this image creation, AWS instance creates snapshot of the each of the above volumes. Same thing it will come, this volumes and all, right now we don't know, right? Volumes and all, leave it, we'll see later. That's it. And so nothing is there. That's it guys. So anyone, any doubt here? Now here there is two more options, tag image and snapshot together, and tag image and snapshot separately. So if you want to tag and separate snapshot, we can select this one, or this is the optional only, tag and snapshot both are together. I need, see, tag the image and snapshot with the same tag, same tag. Okay, so default one, and go down, there is one option is there, create image, that's it. So now, so just wait, go to here AMI, under image there we can see AMIs. AMIs means if you click on your AMIs, now see here your AMI is creating, just wait. And it is private, state is pending. Now it, here it will come active. Now it is creating our own AMI, Amazon mission image. It is creating our own AMI. Just wait 1 or 2 seconds, it will create. So now what I did, you know, right? So from this configuration, this is a running instance. This is a running server. Application also running. Everything working fine. So from this image, from this server, I created our own image, one AMI. I create one own AMI. I hope you got it right. And coming classes, I am using same MI. Again, no need to install HTTP server, no need to do something. Whatever you want common functionality, that and all we can first install here. From this server, we can create our own image. So coming classes also we can use it. Now see here, just pending only. Click on refresh button. Now observe here, still it is pending. Now it will take time. And so once that is done, your AMI is ready. Now I'm going to do auto scaling, how it will work. So now if you want to create auto scaling, if you want to create auto scaling, so we need to create so template, and we need to create so group also. If you want to create load balancer, we are creating load balancer group. Now see here, your AMI is available. Now everything working fine. Now everything working fine. Everything working fine. Now if you want to, we can create, see here, I am going to create one more instance. Now try to understand. Click on, and so running instance, launch instance, and I'm going to see here, and test test my AMI. Okay, AMI, just I give a name. And here earlier you selected, right? You selected your, oh, your right. So there is one option is that resends my AMIs. Earlier we selected this is quick start means AWS people AMIs. I don't want, I'm going to select my own AMI. Now if you observe here, and so here you can see your AMI. Just now I created, right, my HTTP server AMI. Select this one. So that's it. And the remaining story same only. T2 micro is enough. Key pair also I am doing. And just I am checking my HTTP server running or not. I am not going to use anything. I am not going to add anything. So existing remaining story same only. Remaining story same only. I hope you understand how it will work. And so now I am not going to add user data. Okay, in this server I am not going to install any HTTPD because I am selecting my own image. In that image already HTTP server I configure everything. Now understand? Clear guys? Anyone any doubt here? అర్థమవుతుందా?
Yes, sir.
ఆల్రెడీ ఇమేజ్ నేను ఈ
అవునండి.
సర్వర్ నుంచి క్రియేట్ చేసుకున్నాను. ఈ సర్వర్లో ఆల్రెడీ హెచ్టిటిపి సర్వర్ రన్నింగ్ అవుతుంది. సో ఎవ్రీథింగ్ అవైలబుల్ మై ఓన్ ఏఎంఐ ఆల్సో. నవ్ ఐ సెలెక్టెడ్ మై ఏఎంఐ. సో నో నీడ్ టు యాడ్ అగైన్ యూజర్ డేటా అండ్ ఆల్. Now just try to create whether it is working or not, just testing only. Okay, launch instance, that's it. Now if everything instance is ready, now just check it HTTP is running or not, just only testing. Okay, I'm not going to do anything. So just for your understanding purpose, just I'm testing. Now click on instances and test my AMI. Okay, just wait. Once that is up, then okay. Anyway, now come to your anyway it will take time, right? Come to auto scaling. Click on auto scaling group. So now if you see here, create auto scaling group, get started with AWS EC2 auto scaling by creating the auto scaling. So here also they given mention. Now see here how it will work means so how it will work means see minimum how many you want, and desired capacity how many you want, and also what is the maximum size, how many instance you need to create. Just already I given some points, right? Min means how many servers, minimum I need one server. Desired means right now how many servers you want, two servers. Maximum servers, if the instance reach the particular condition usage, how many servers you want to create, maximum 4. So that and all already they given here. See here, this is the minimum server and the minimum instance, minimum size, and desired capacity. Desired capacity means right now how many you want, and maximum size means how many you want to scale up, how many you want to scale out as need, how many you need to scale up. So that is the whole story. How it will work means based on this it will increase. Now see here, whatever as of now we discussed, everything we can see here. Just to go through this one, see here, auto scaling group is a collection of AWS Amazon EC2 instances that are treated as a logical unit. You configure settings for group and is instance well defined, minimum maximum and how desired capacity and all, and how it will work based on this they given some. Okay, now same thing come to here. If we click on here and so select create auto scaling group. Now give any name, auto scaling group name. Okay, this is the dev auto scaling group, dev dev whatever name we can give. Okay, auto scaling gp group. And there is one option template. So if you want to launch so in this concept, if you want to launch right, one more, right, we need to configure, we need to select one instance, what type of instance, now that and all we need to configure here. Earlier we can configure manually, but so May 31st 23 they removed. Now we need to create template only. So here they give an intimation message also. So now create launch template, create launch template. Now it is asking your instance configuration and all. Now it is asking your instance configuration and all. Template name we can give any name. So devops class template, whatever you want we can give. Next, so this is the template description, whatever you want we can give. And so this is template that are no need. Now here it is asking which AMI we need. If you want to configure, we are going to configure auto scaling, right? So మీకు ఏ ఇమేజ్ రావాలి, సేమ్ ఇమేజ్, రైట్? ఆల్రెడీ ఐ క్రియేటెడ్ వన్ ఇమేజ్. ఎందుకంటే ఇక్కడ సంథింగ్ ఐ కాన్ఫిగర్, రైట్? సేమ్ సెటప్ సేమ్ కాన్ఫిగరేషన్ ఐ నీడ్. So that is the reason I am selecting here. If I click my AMI, and so now you can see this is my AMI, this is my AMI own, this is my AMI. Okay, select this one. This is my own mi. Select, already it is selected default. And so go down, remain story, instance type. So if you want to instance type, we can select whatever you want instance type. So instance type, which one you want? T2 micro, 1 GB, 1 CP enough. Next, key pair. What key pair you want? So which key pair you want to use? Don't include launch template. And so key pair. See, you can use key pair to securely connect your instance. End user, you have to selected key pair before you launch the instance. Before you launch the instance. If you want to, we can select here. If you want to, we can select here. What is this? I selected DevOps key, right? DevOps class key. Okay, now this and all network, if you want to, we can select. And so this is the network group. So security, these all are same only. So this and all select. Okay, so ALB, that's it. Now remaining story same only, already everything clear. Now I'm going to create one template. These are the configuration, guys. T2 micro, and this is the security group, and this is my AMI, and this is the storage 8 GB, and free tier. See, in every first include 750 hours. T2 micro, this is they given some instruction and all. Anyway, create template. Now template is created. Now template is created. Now come to this page. Just refresh, and now we can see the template name, DevOps class template. DevOps class template. Select this one, and so now this, see here, we can see that information and all. We can see that information and all. And so next, and now it is coming. See here, choose instance launch configuration. Default, this is correct. And if you want to change VPs and all, and here we can select so availability zones. Select all availability zones. Wherever you want, we can select how many we have. Now click on next. Now see here, load balancer. Now, so if you want to work with load balancer, so see here, no load balancer, we can select. If you have already load balancer, we can select this one. And so attach with the new load balancer means we can select this one. This is your wish, guys. This is your wish. Whatever you want, we can do it. Whatever you want, we can do it. Anyway, right now I am not using any load balancer. I don't have. Select this one. And so see here, these all are common options only. Go down. Now click on next. Now this is the desired capacity. Now this is the desired capacity, min capacity, maximum desired capacity. This and all very very important. Now how many you want desired capacity? Only one. And maximum min capacity one. Desired means, for example, I need two instances. Okay, and maximum desired capacity, how many you want? 4 or 5 or 6 or 10, whatever you want, you can give it. So now I'm giving 5. So this is your wish. Maximum means how many servers you want to create. So see here, set limits on how much your desired capacity can be increased or decreased. So that and all. Suppose if the CPU reaches 80%, this server CPU utilization reaches 80%, how many servers you want to create? Desired means how many servers by default you want. So that and all we are setting here. Okay, now see here, no scaling policy. So this is a mandatory. Choose whether you use target tracking policy. Yes, select this one. This is important. We need to select, we need to select, we need to, we need to select target tracking scaling policy. Target tracking scaling policy. If you click on this, now these are the scaling policy name. We can give any name. If you want, we can change this name or else leave it. Target tracking policy. And here we can see these are the very very important. See here, if you want to configure auto scaling, so this step is very very important. Configure group size and scaling policy, scaling and all. Now see here, monitored metrics that determine if source utilization, how low and high. Now see here, average CPU utilization, and average network in, average network out, application load balancer request count. If you want to, we can count also. But anyway, everyone know, right? What is this command? Average CPU utilization. You are using top command, right? You are using top command. You are seeing some usage and all. And target volume, target volume. So see here, target value. So how many? Just I'm giving. I don't want half. Only 30 enough. And instant RAM and all this and all we can give instance warm up and all, just I'm giving 30 only. So here main thing is CPU utilization, average CPU utilization. If you reach 30% target or 50% or 40%, whatever you want, this is your wish. Okay, but here in this diagram I given 80. Now we need to give 80%. If your CPU utilization it reach 80% only, it will create one more instance, otherwise it won't create. But anyway I am giving very less only, 40 or 40%. That's it. Now these all are same. Instance maintains policies and all, and so no policy. If you want to anything based on requirement we can select just it create. And so remaining nothing, click next. And so click next, and these are the finally create the auto scaling. That's it guys. Now see here your auto scaling group so created. Just wait, updating capacity. So here minimum I given 1, and desired I given 2, and maximum I given 5. Now we can understand, so min max 5. So just wait. Now already I created one testing purpose, right? Let me check it whether. Now see here, extra I created two more. Extra I created two more. So these two are created. Just now I created auto scaling, right? Desired. I want count. I given how many? Count. I given how many? Two, right? Here. Desired. How many
Yes,
I
sir.
given? Two. Now desired means two instances created automatically. See here, it is initializing. Now this and all, if you want to, we can delete. Now let me try this one also. Just I want to check that is running or not. That's it. Now see here, this is also running. My AMI also, I created one instance with my AMI, right? This is also working fine. This is also working fine. So if you don't want, we can delete these two. If you have any confusion, I'm going to delete these two and stop these instances and stop it. Okay. Now these two created with the ALB, auto scaling group. Okay. Now, so auto scaling group. Now two are ready. Once ready. Now what I am going to do? So what is the CPU utilization? I am first checking. I am check this CPU utilization and all, and based on this I am going to increase. Based on this I am going to increase. చదవండిరా. ఏం చేస్తున్నావా? రై రై ప్రేమ్ tables రై 12 to 20. Okay, just wait. Now two instance desired instance created, two running, and click on any one instance. Okay, that is your wish. Click on this. I know right how to connect, and the remaining story same only. So go to here, PM file, right click, go to bash, and get bash. That is saying, okay, you need to connect root, right? This is my AMI, with AMI I connected, right? So EC2 EC2 hyphen user. Okay, so control plus plus. Now how to check the CPU utilization, guys? What is the Linux command? How to check the CPU utilization? Linux command,
Ops.
top command, right? Now if you use top command, now see what is the CPU utilization in this server. So 0.3, 0.3, it is it is right, changing based on this usage, sometimes 0 and all. And I'm going to increase this CPU utilization. So how to increase? I have one command. So if you use that, if you run this command, automatically uh, increase the CPU utilization 80-90% and all. So this is the command. This is the command. So now, if you want to, already I shared that document, in that document already available. What is that command? Go to here, dev null. We are increasing. Where is that? Open with notepad. So null. Now this is a command. So if you want to increase the CPU utilization and all, just give s greater than dev slash null and top command. Now you can see how it will work. So even if you Google it, will get command. Just copy and paste it. Now go to here. Now CPU utilization 0%, right? Now I am running this command. Now I am running this command. So now I am running top s greater than, right, what is s and what is this symbol, how it will work. Now this is the Linux command only. If you run this, now see here, what is the CPU utilization, what is the percent, how much percent we are getting here,
99.
90 or 80 something, right? But actually in my ALB I given, what is the percent I given, 40%. What is the percent I given in while configuring ALB, 40, right? Correct.
Yes, sir.
Anyway, 80 90 means, so it reaches 40%. Now just wait. uh, Now wait, earlier we have desired two instances, right? Now we can see two more instances. I given four or five desired instance, that is maximum instance,
5.
five.
Two.
So just wait,
Desire 2, sir.
desired two, maximum
Max 5, sir.
five.
Min 1.
Now it will take 1 or 2 minutes, just wait, automatically it will launch. We have to wait. Okay. So this is, I already, anyway we increase the size, right? Now it is in 99 80%, 90, right? Now automatically it will launch, automatically it will launch instances. We have to wait at least 2 3 minutes. So this is the what is auto scaling and how it will work. So this and all already, will be here. So how it will work means, so this is theoretically, if you want to know, just go through here, we can get it, how it will work, auto scaling group and all. So now auto scaling concepts. So auto scaling, grouping and launch configuration and scaling plan also. So auto scaling groups always keep a minimum number of instances running and launch for template instance to meet desired capacity. Never start more than maximum number of instances. Keep capacity balanced across all AWS. They given min 2 and desired they given 6, and here they maintaining maximum 10. That is your wish. This and all our wish, whatever you want. So launch configuration. How to configure launch configuration and how it will work. Everything already we written. And if you want to scaling policy and how, and termination policy plan. So ensure current capacity of the healthy instances remain within boundaries. And so what is API? This is a schedule plan in and out, terminating policy, and also load balance. If you have load balancer, we can configure load balancer also. That is nothing much. Health checkup. Here mostly we configure it. How to scaling policy, how it will work. If we have idea, we can read this, we can easily understand. This is a metrics mostly. This is very very important, metrics policy and how it will work. So I selected CPU utilization. If you want to, we can select a load balancer count also. Now I selected CPU utilization, and so based on this, so it will increase. Based on this, it will work. If you want to, we can get alarms and all. So concept is same only. Now come to here, whether instance is creating or not. It will take time. We have to wait. Sometimes it will take 5 minutes, 10 minutes also. So now it will come. So two more. It will come. So now this is two, right? Or else I am going to. Anyway, one is enough for me. No need to run all this. Anyway, the sweep utilization 90% only. So if you run this command, automatically it will show 40 plus only. See here, 40 plus only, but automatically it will create instance. So anyone, any doubt guys here? So first we need to create the template, and if we click on auto scaling, and here also we can check it. So this is the desired 2 and minimum 1 and maximum I given 5 capacity. And this is the activity, how it will work and all. And so this is scaling dynamically. If you want to instance management, this is the monitoring. So this is the, if you want to, we can configure this. All are the optional monitoring. If you want to enable monitoring, auto scaling, how it will work. So instance refreshes when we want to refresh. So there is many tabs available. That main thing is this is the first group details, auto scaling group name, and so desired capacity, how many we can see here, and how we are configuring and all, and what is the number of instance and how it will work. These are the networks load balancer. Right now I didn't configure load balancer. If you want to, we can add load balancer also. That is not a big issue. Click on here. Still not started. I don't know, one or two times it will take more time also. We have to wait, but anyway it will come. So let's we will see. Now we know, right, load balancing. So host, anyone tried how to configure host and all? Already I explained, right, path based how to configure. So if you want to host based, so if you have domain name and all, and so with the help of domain name also we can create host based, and create same target group host based, and we need to create some route 53 also. Or you anyway, next class I will see route 53 how it will work. Now we don't know, right, what is route 53, how it will work and all. So route 50 is nothing but so this is the domain name. This is the domain name. This is the domain name already. If you have buy, and so we need to buy this domain. So they will charge 400 or 600 rupees. If you practice purpose, if you want to, we can buy one domain name, and based this domain we can configure. We can configure. So create hosted zone. If you give, it is asking someone domain name and description. We need to configure some extra options. Anyway, in route 53 I will cover. So this load balancing, hosted, host configuration and all. Few people know, and so new people they don't know, right, what is route 53, why you go for route 53, why you need to register this route 53 and all. What happens my instances, first we'll see auto scaling. Now see here, now it is run, it is two more launching, right, clear. So earlier I have only two, now it is coming four. Now it is coming four. Now like this it will automatically add instances, automatically add instances. I hope you got it, right? Or Shiv Center.
Yes, sir.
Hmm? So like this. So whenever if you need, I don't want. But this try to understand. Three is maximum I given five, right? So now so three extra added. So in this side I given only two, and maximum I given five. Now see here, 5 inst 3 extra 3 more instance added, extra 3 more instance added. So like this in real time they are maintaining auto scaling, here mostly we need to understand so this concept, and what is the based on load balancer count or based on CPU utilization, whatever you want, that is our requirement, and we can select, and based on this it will come. Now we can check it. So whatever running here, same thing. All missions it is running HTTPD. All missions it is running HTTPD. Now check it. This connect, not connect. Click on public IP address. Now see here. Now all servers are same application running or not. HTTPD server. Anyone, that is your wish. Whatever you want, we can select it. So now select this one also. All missions, my same configuration, everything running fine. So no need to bother about it. So that is the reason I created our own AMI, and with the help of AMI I created auto scaling. Now whatever configuration available here, same configuration I created one AMI, and auto scaling template I selected my own AMI. Now same configuration, same setup, automatically it will come. I hope you got it right. Anyone, any doubt still here? Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now select anyone, that is your wish. See here, copy this, and so if we have load balancer, we can configure load balancer also. Now see here, I mean, so that's it. Just try it, practice it. In interview also mostly they are asking what is load balancing, what is auto scaling, and how it will work, okay, so that's it, and the next class we'll see so new one.